I'm Matt.
I'm Michelle.
We're cooking.
Together. So welcome to our kitchen.
Cooking together.
Oh, not that again.
Cooking together.
What are we making today?
Okay, we're gonna make fried chicken. I would like to say it's southern fried chicken because I come from the south, but I'm gonna tell you the truth. I just kind of made this up one day when the family said they wanted some fried chicken. So I'll give you my recipe.
Dairy-free recipe.
Dairy-free. My family loves this one. We
Yes.
cook it with chicken
Tenderloins.
Tenderloins. I don't even know this chicken. So chicken tenderloins. It just makes it easy, nice little piece. We've done it with thighs. We don't typically do wings, and we've done it with the drumsticks. But this is gonna be chicken tenders. You said that you could probably cut them in half and make chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
Never done it, but makes sense.
But they would be good, tasty chicken, and super easy to make. Ready?
Ready. Okay, first you want to get your oil going. I've already put it in here. You want to put a good quart or two. It just depends on how big your pan is. And go ahead and turn it up high and just get that going heated, so when you're ready you can throw it in there. How do you tell if it's hot? You've probably seen this before, but you just flick some water and then it'll splatter all over the place.
Let's see. Do we think that's hot?
I don't think it's hot yet. Nope. Not hot yet.
Nothing.
Nothing.
All right.
Okay. I'm going to be saying how we make this because you've never made this.
I've never made this before in my life.
So we'll give this a shot. It's messy as I don't know what. We've already got the chicken ready to go. So
I put it on a plate. I'm going to recommend just kind of absorb any excess moisture. It'll make your batter stick better.
she's right, but I've never done that before. I've just rinsed it off, thrown it on a plate, gone from there. So, okay, to do the batter, we've got a cup of non-dairy milk.
We have someone in our family that is dairy-free. Which one do you want it in?
It goes in the first one.
You
We're going to
want
put
it in
batter
this
because we're going to batter it, then we're going to whatever it, and we're throwing it in a pan. What would that be called?
Dredge it.
Dredge, yeah.
All
We're going to
right.
throw it in the stuff. Okay, the 2 eggs. I usually do the milk first. No, just throw them in there. Crack them. Don't be afraid.
I'm
Just
afraid.
get them in there.
What?
Pop the yolk. Do the next one. This is not fancy. This is pop the yolk.
Can I use a fork?
Yeah, use that.
Oh, fork.
And just mix them together. This ain't fancy. 3 cups of flour. So it looks like a lot, but it's a lot. You could probably do more, less. This is 2 tablespoons of black pepper. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of salt. Maybe 3 if you like it, but I do about a tablespoon or 2 of garlic, and then the same thing for onion. You don't have to do that. My family loves garlic, so mix it all up together. I was going to use the fork to do that, but you stole the fork.
I stole your fork.
Now you mix this together. You see the paper? I'm sorry, I'm not trying to edge
Are
you
you
out
going
there.
to measure it out?
Yeah, of course I was. I wouldn't just dump it in there. Normally I just dump it in there. Oh boy.
Okay.
Okay, you just mix it up together.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, there we go. Woohoo! Now we got the fun going. She stole my fork again.
I like to take your forks, apparently.
Anyways,
all right, so I'm
just
going to get it
start
really
throwing them in
coated.
here, and then I take them and just drag them in here, dump them around a couple of times. Now your fingers are gonna get like totally coated and sticky. But see how I'm just going them around? You're getting them real coated. I try to get all of them in there. Now some people will say that you double batter, which is you do this, you throw it back in, which is really messy, but it's just a preference. I don't like as much batter, is what it comes down to. So they're in here. Honestly, they're gonna cook somewhere between 5 and 10 minutes. You only really want to flip them over one time, because if you keep on flipping them over and over and over, the batter doesn't do as good on them, and you could cook it uneven. This will be about for 10 minutes, and
What do
then
you
we'll
cook it
flip it
on?
over. The oil was on high. I just leave it on high.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw you mess with that.
I did. I was afraid we were going to burn ourselves.
The biggest thing is move them around, but if you move them too early, the batter's just going to come right off. I leave them for a good 3 to 5 minutes, kind of move them around, and then I flip them, like I said, between 7 and 10 minutes. Ready?
I'm ready.
We took dance lessons for 2 years.
It was 1 year.
It might have been 3. You have to have something to put the chicken on when you're taking it out. So I do a nice cookie sheet pan, and then I put 2 layers of paper towels. That kind of gets some of the oil off when it's coming off. Na, 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 na. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and start flipping. When you flip over, it should start having a golden color. There we go. Okay, it's all flipped. It's good to go. Again, another about 5 minutes, you'll be able to start taking it out.
What you doing?
So I'm really picky about wanting to make sure the chicken's truly done. You wanted to get it up to like 165. They're nice and golden.
Golden brown.
Golden brown. So
I'm
then
excited.
you start taking them. Oops. Slippery little sucker. You start taking them out here. They look nice and golden when you take them out. Somebody wants more chicken.
Can you see it? Oh. So good. Very good, hon.